Let's start.
Tingnan mo, tinignan pa ako nyo nito, nakatingin sa ako.
JP for 3. No. Rebel fouls it up for 2. 2-0. Intuitive 2-0. Steal by Hill. Hill lives it up. Dennis with a left-hand layup. 4-0. Assist from Hill. Jonas. Steal by Rebel. Bounce pass to Dennis. Lays it up and does no. Chris rebounds it. And pass to Manalo. Oh, miss. Dennis rebounds it. Long pass to Dade for 3. Yeah! May alcohol pa sa katawan yan. Para ako. Tulog pa. Richard Alvarez. To Roman. Short. Rebound by Manalo. Chris. Jumper. Rebel rebound to JP. 8 minutes to go in the first quarter. Dennis bounce pass to Remwell. He got fouled by Ryan. That's Ryan's first personal, first team foul on Chet Delmar. 7 minutes 40 remaining. First quarter. Dennis, the exterminator against Ryan. He lost the ball, steal by Ryan. Sayang lang.
Alam ko na, comeback.
Dennis to Dado. Looking for a teammate here. Here to Dado, forcing up against Ryan. Bounce pass to Dennis. Oh! Pass by Dado. 2 points by Dennis. Ryan jumper. Yes, it's good. That's the first basket by Chet Delmar. The score is 9-2. 7-point lead by Intuitive Care. 6 minutes 35 remaining in the first quarter. Bobby lays it up. No foul by Remel. It's strong. Rebounded by Chris. Ryan pass to Jetboy. Guarded by JP. Got to Ryan. Oh! Blocked by Bobby. Recovered by Ryan. Oh! Layup is not there. Hill. Jumper. Yes. Just a 2 points, right? 11-2. 9-point lead by Intuitive Care. Mission Care, sorry. Mission Care, I'm so sorry, Mission Care. Yeah. JP, no good. Rebound by Chris, taps it into Ryan. Ryan, first to Chris, jumper, short. Oh, tap it to the wrong man. Jumper, no. Ryan, all alone for 2. 11-4, 7 ang lamang po ng Mission Care. Dennis. Pass it to JP, floater, no. Rimwell, oh no. Chris controls the ball, bounce pass to Jeboy. All alone for the layup. 11-5, 5-point lead by Mission Care. Dennis against Ryan. Pass back to JP. JP against Ronald. JP making his move. Passes to Hero versus Jonas. Shot no good. Chris controls the board. Long pass to Jonas. Jonas to Ryan. Yeah, assist from substitution in the next dead ball. 11-8 is the score. A 3-point lead by Mission Care. JP, Ryan with a rebound to Jeboy. Jeboy bounce pass to Ronald. Jeboy. Mandatory sub. Foul on
21.
Dennis.
21. Push.
First foul and first team foul. First person and first team foul. Go to Chris. To Wyatt. Nice seeing Wyatt again. Wyatt. Yes, nice shot by Ryan. 11-10 is the score. 1-point lead by Mission Care. 3 minutes 30 remaining in the first half. WJ bounce pass to Abel. Abel to JP. JP serving the floor to Redwell. To Abel. Abel pass to JP. The pass. What a shot by JP. Assist from Sulit pa ba natin? Siyempre, 29. Steal by WJ to JP. Red ball. 13-10. Tama po ba tayo? Okay. Wyatt. Strong rebounded by Ryan. Oh, miss again.
Red ball.
Point blank miss by Ryan.
Okay.
Ball remains with Red. Tiger to Wyatt. Almost a steal. Wyatt jumper. Nope. Rebound by Tiger to Ryan. Short again. Then JP ahead. He got fouled by John. First foul on John. Second team foul on
Free throw.
Chet Delmar. 2 shots for JP. First shot by JP. Second shot by JP is also good. 15-10, 5-point lead by Mission Care. 1 minute 15 in the first quarter. John to Jeboy to Ryan. Ryan posting up against the ball. Pass to Ryan. By Redwell. Two shots for Wyatt. First personal on Redwell. Second team foul on Chet Delmar. 2 shots for Wyatt. Good. 15-11. 24 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Abel passes to Raymond, to WG. Don't pass to Cesar. Cesar to Raymond. Short. People the board. It's Steffi. Star to Jeffrey. Yes, 2 points for Jeffrey. That's the end of the first quarter. Give the assist to Tiger. 15-13, Mission Care by 2. Romel for 3. Nope. Dennis. The exterminator for 3. Jekyll to Chris. Turnover by Red.
Kala ko to, titira ka.
Jeffboy from Ward. Jeffboy. Wyatt. Stolen by Jeffboy for 3, no. Last touch, Wyatt. Ball goes to Mission Care. Time remaining 9 minutes 12 seconds in the first half. Point lead by Mission Care. Timeout. That's their first timeout. First timeout by Ched.
Mag-aaway ha, marami na nag-aaway dito kanina pa.
Sinong next possession? Sino next possession natin?
Sila ano, sabi na. Blue.
No, yun sa pag nag-rebound. Pag nag-held ball.
Let's go. Start to Wyatt, to Chris against Dade. He got fouled by Dade. That's first personal on Alfred, first team foul. Jeffboy jumper, nope. Chris rebounds it. He got blocked by Alfred. What a block by Alfred from behind. Mahilig siya sa behind. Bounce by Raymond. Chris recovers it.
Get the ball.
Start to Jeffboy jumper. Yes, good jumper by Jeffboy. 19-15, fourth out lead. Who's foul? Jeffboy foul. First person on Jeffboy, first foul. 7-point run by Mission Care. 6 minutes 58 remaining in the second quarter. Rommel. Almost lost ball. Wyatt using the glass. 22-17. Pass it to Hill. Back along through. 25-17, assist from Hill. 8-point lead, 6 minutes to go in the first half. Rommel against JP. Pass to Jetboy for 3, no. Rommel controls the board. Bounce pass to Wyatt. Let's do the sub because it was late in the first quarter. 5:33 remaining in the first half. $25-17 down to Pagayro, 25-17. Okay, let's play. Two by Ryan for 225. 6-point lead. 5 minutes to go in the first half. 28-19, 9-point lead. Sealed by Hale.
4-3. Push. Ay, wala na pala akong tali.
2 shots for Hale.
Tinanggal ko pala.
First personal miss, second team foul on Jetboy Bar. Airboat, right? Two shots for Hill. First shot for Hill is good, 29-19. Second shot for Hill, also good, 30-19. Jonas. Steal by Cesar.
Blue.
Hey, grab my shirt!
The Blessa, 33-19, 14-point lead. Chris to Jetboy to Jong. Steal by Rommel. Double down by Cesar. Chris to Jetboy. Nag-iisa sa inal. 33-21.
Timeout, Blue.
Mission there, that's their first timeout. in the first half. Both teams are already with one timeout each. Let's go, let's go. 2 minutes 21 remaining in the first half. The score is 33-23.
Masarap yan sa suka, min.
Habanero.
Tsaka sa sauce. Yung papakita mo sa suka.
WJ for 3. Abiliata. Jepoy. Wow, what a pass to Chris. Chris lays it up for 2. Assist from Jepoy. 36-25. Hill against Jepoy. 1 minute 30 remaining in the first half. Abel.
Jump. Blue ball. Right here.
Next possession, red. 1 minute, 5 seconds remaining in the first half. Red.
Push.
Push on.
3-1.
31 WJ. Second, team foul. First personal on WJ. 45 seconds remaining. 40 seconds. Ryan jumper. He does it. Powers up. Got foul.
2-3 blue. 2-3 blue. 2-3 blue. On the floor, guys. On the floor. He wasn't
Dupit. Second personal on Dupit. 20 seconds remaining. Jonas lays it up for 2. Yeah. 36-27. 10 seconds remaining.
Red. Tama, red. Oh.
Did it go? Did it go timeout?
4 seconds, I have a timeout too.
Yeah. Hey guys, when you call timeout, tell the referee, not me, okay? Change court. There we go.
Wala na palang oras
Clear
sa
foul.
timeout.
Fourth quarter na, di ba? Strike pa lang.
Halftime, di ba? Oo.
Half na tayo. First half.
Ito yung mabalino sa kanan. Fourth quarter na.
Oo na.
WJ rebound. Almost a steal by Chris. WJ recovers it. Pass it to Hill. Hill bounce pass to Juki. Juki against Rommel. Foul by Rommel.
28.
First personal on Rommel. First team foul on Jeddah Mark. 2 shots for JP.
Pero dapat inantay niya muna na shoot yan eh. Tumira.
Namamasyal ka sa lubukan. 37-27. Ryan short, Rimwell. Rebounds it. Hill. To JP. JP spins. personal second team foul on Chet Delmar. 2 shots for JP. Kaya wala na nakakasulat. JP, nigga bro. First basket, JP is good. 38, 27, 11 points.
Pogi naman yan ang shoot. Pogi-pogi.
39-27, 12-point lead by Mission Care with 7 minutes 55 remaining in the third quarter. Chris Merrill, whoever controls the board. Hill for 3. Wow, what a rebound and points by Remwell. 41-27, up by 14 is Mission here. Jeffroy for 3. JP rebounds. Pass to Hill. Controls the ball. Remwell side steps. No good. Ball remains with Blue. 7 minutes. 5 seconds to go in the third quarter. Scores 41-27. JP, nope, rebound. Romero goes to coast, pass to Jeppo for 3. Down to an 11-point lead, 41-30. 6 minutes 35 in the third. Hill, WJ, back to Hill. Zone defense by Chet Delmar. Bounce pass to Judy. Judy against Romero again. Fouled again by Romero. That's the third personal on Romero. 13th foul on Chet Delmar. 2 shots for JP.
28. Hey.
28 ba siya, no? No good. Basket on the second, 42-30.
Go!
Jepoy to Ryan. Ryan jumper. Yeah, that was good assist from Jepoy. 42-32. 5:30. Next net ball. We're gonna have the substitution. WJ for 3-0. Romel controls the board. Long pass to Jepoy. What a pass by Romel to Jepoy for 2. 42-34. Down to 8. Double J all day 3, yes. 45-34. Next dead ball is substitution. Next dead ball. Chris for 3, yes. 45-37. WJ. Sobra dun. Jepoy for 3. You can do this up. Yep. 4 minutes 10. Score is 45-40. 5-point lead by
5 na lang.
Mission here. I'm gonna start the clock. 4 minutes to go in the third quarter. 45-40.
Anim kayo dyan, anim!
Ta.
Sinabi ko na sa inyo yung
2 shots, 2 technical shot.
nasa loob siya tol eh. Nabigyan ng bola eh. Mas siya na yung bola.
Second technical is good. 45-41, 4-point lead by Mission Care. 2 minutes 50 remaining in the third quarter. Chris is WJ, yes, using the glass. Just a 2-point lead by Mission Care. JD got fouled by Chris. Ryan rebounds. Chris open for 2, 44-45. All is the score. It's a tie ball game with 1 minute 50 remaining in the third quarter. WJ long three. Rebounds it. He takes a jumper for 3. Yes. Rebound call Tiraco. 47-45. Wyatt. Almost a steal by Abel. Wyatt's favorite shot for 2. 47-47 is the score. All tied. 1 minute 20 in the third. Cesar, JP for 3. Almost. Double rebounds it. And he got fouled by 91. That's a penalty situation. 1-1 for our Reds. That's a 15 foul on Chet Delmar. Ryan rebounds it. 35 seconds to go in the third quarter. Almost stolen from him, but he got fouled by 29. Abel. First team foul on Mission Care. First personal. 20 seconds. Wyatt. Wow, what a defensive stand by Cesar. Jumper by Wyatt. Nope. WJ. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. JP. That's the end of the third. It's a tie, third game, 47-47. Wyatt, yes, clean as a whistle. 49 up. We have a shot clock violation, Gate. Jonah for 3. JP. Yep, rebounds it. Almost a steal, but recovered by Rommel. Rommel bounced past to Ryan. Ryan, he got fouled by number 30, JP. That's JP's first personal, first team foul on Mission Care. 2 shots, so Ryan.
3-0.
No good on the first. Down to 15 seconds shot clock. Run well. Wow, what a pass by Gabriel. 51-49. 8 minutes, 5 seconds. Chris. No good. Ramwell controls it. WJ recovers it. Pass to JP. To Hill. 15 second shot clock. 10 seconds. Now Stassi Ramwell is in the grounds for 2. 53-49. 15 second shot clock. 10 seconds. Ryan. Rebounds, fires it up, no good. Ryan controls the ball. Low pass to Ryan. Rebound foul by JP. That's JP's
I see it with your top.
second team foul on Mission Gear. 2 shots for Wyatt.
Foul.
Wyatt. 53-49. Mission Gear by 4.
I'm alright.
Chet Delmar, that's for first time out. First time out by Chet. 2 times. Wyatt basket. 53-50. They got it. Yeah. 55-50. Romero, Wyatt, 50 seconds shot clock. Substitution. Welcome back to WJ. Wala pa kami dyan masalubong. WJ, remember, back to WJ, raise it up, break through. Assist by Ramwell. 57-57 point lead by Mission. Jonas, 15 second shot clock. Ryan, 10 second shot clock. 57-55 minutes remaining. Ryan, 57-52. Second shot clock. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Lost the ball. Steal by Jonas. Chris. One by Chris. Remember, that's a third personal, first team foul. Oh, third team foul on Mission Clear. 4:57. Over shot. Yes, it's good. 57-55. Dalawa na lang po ang namang ng Mission Clear with 3 minutes, 40 seconds remaining. First 8 seconds. Ryan has fouled. Who's fouled? Ryan. Second personal on Ryan. First team foul on Chet Delmar. 2 shots for WJ. First basket by WJ is good. 58-55. Second basket for WJ is good. Hey, Dia! 59-55. Romel, the first. 15-second shot clock. Red rebound. 15-second shot. Foul on Ryan.
5-9. Block.
Third
Floor,
personal
floor,
on Ryan.
It's floor. It's floor.
No. Sino ba yun? No. Second team foul. Third team foul. Third team foul pa lang. Last 2 minutes. Jumper by WJ. Rebound by Romero. Score is 61-55. 1 minute 35 remaining. Second shot clock. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. You got foul, sandwich foul.
4-3. 4-3. Push.
First team foul pa lang, Ford. Sorry, natinggod ko dalawang beses. 14 foul pa lang. Nagdodoble kasi yung tinggod eh. 1, 2, 3. Apat pa lang. Nagdodoble kasi yung tinggod ko eh. 14 foul.
Floor.
Tapos ako ulit. Kasi, magulo.
That was floor. Oh, it's floor.
Okay na. Session na kasi,
Yes.
nagdodoble yung tinggod ng plus eh. Sorry. Tao lang. Basket is good. That is 62-57. 1 minute to go. Short. Lane violation. One more shot.
That's a free shot. Take it, man. There we go.
Second basket for Daddy is good. Timeout. Chet Delmar, that's a second timeout. No more timeouts for Chet Delmar. Will still has 2 timeouts. Time remaining, 1 minute.
Nagalit pala kasi nga tumawag doon ng foul si Joel. Time out daw. Bakit daw namin yung foul? May isa sa time out. Sabi ko nga, foul nga eh. Sabi ko, foul nga eh.
Trajectory, back along. To Chris. Trajectory, drive through. 41 seconds remaining. 63-55, 2-point lead. 50-second shot clock. 10 seconds. JD using the pass. Good for 65-55. Rebound. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. That's the goal.